y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up, everybody? What's up, Divas? What's up, Divos? It's your girl A, and you already know I'm here because this video is being sponsored by SHEIN, where you can get the best of the best of the best for less. What's up, everybody? Y'all know how I feel about SHEIN. Y'all know I always tell y'all could get the best of the best of the best for less from SHEIN. And girl, I ain't never lied, okay? I ain't never lied to you. Make sure you check the description box down below for a coupon code and all that good fun stuff. I will definitely link everything that I have in this video. This is going to be a short but sweet video. Short, sweet, SHEIN sports brand. Say that a few times for me, like back to back, like say like 10 times, okay? Like I want y'all to say it 10 times. Y'all know I love SHEIN though, on some realness. So recently, SHEIN has become super duper duper popular for all type of brands on their website. I remember one day I went on their website and I was like, hold up. I know I did not just see Adidas sneakers and a Nike sign. Hello? Then I had to realize and do some research. SHEIN is definitely a marketplace, which means that any brand can sell their items on SHEIN. They are hosting their website to you, a brand. So there are things that SHEIN does on their own, and then there are also items that are on SHEIN that are by huge brands such as Puma, Adidas, and Nike. So with that being said, I have been sponsored by SHEIN to do this haul, y'all. I was able to get 2 pairs of sneakers. The box is a little bit beat up, but the sneaker is still intact. These are the Adidas campuses, and they are in a suede gray color. Came with the super wide shoelaces, which definitely brought me back to the good old days. 80s was the best year ever. They also did come with an extra pair of gray shoelaces. But I did see this really cool hack on Instagram where they did like this really cool thing with the shoelaces, and I really want to try that, but I don't know if I really want to untie these. These are perfect. These are perfect. These are in a size 10. I wear a size 11, but they do fit. Cool thing about getting them off of SHEIN, they're like a lot less than in store, okay? You can use your coins, that coupons, because it makes the product and the item in the checkout less. You can get the best of the best of the best for less. Now the next pair are the Sambas. Now I actually have purchased these during the Christmas time for my daughter Mumsy. So I did get these ones for my daughter Nay. On the SHEIN website, they're definitely a lot less than off the website where I originally purchased Mumsy's from. These do come in different colors. They come in all black. They also came in all cheetah print. Girl, I was like, oh, I want those, but yeah, they didn't come in my size. Everybody else wanted them. These are the Sambas. I like these. I like them because they're slender. They're very feminine looking. They have the suede around the front, but also these are also unisex, so anybody could wear these. But I do like these because, listen, like I said, my foot is big, okay? And if they did come in my size, they would make my foot look a little bit more slimmer. That's my take on it. Girl, when you wear a size 11, you're trying to make your foot look as small as possible. And I don't know why I wear a size 11. Sometimes I wear a size 12, depending on the shoemaker, when I'm only 5'3.5". Woosah on that. These are super duper cute. Yeah, so check out SHEIN for some of your favorite top brands because you can definitely get them on a discount. When I say discount, I don't mean that SHEIN's going to give you a discount personally and they're going to like lower the price just because it's you and you, but I'm just saying you can spend less and then you can buy other stuff from there as well. You know, one-stop shopping. SHEIN is the marketplace for the best of the best for less. I'll link everything down below for you ladies. I hope you enjoyed this really short, sweet SHEIN sports review. I'll see y'all on the next one, and leave me a white heart if you stay to the end.